Hello and welcome to WebPros Meeting. This tutorial shows you how to schedule meetings, set up meetings in seconds, and let guests join without downloading anything. Scheduling a meeting in WebPros Meeting can take as little as 10 seconds. To schedule a meeting, click the big Scheduled Meetings button from your dashboard. From here, add your meeting thumbnail, title, date, time, and description. Give every meeting a relevant image, a clear title and meeting description, and invite guests through the system whenever possible. That keeps your process clean, professional, and easy to duplicate for your team. All of this information appears in the private staging area before your guest enters the meeting, so they know exactly where they are, what the meeting is about, and what to expect. It's a simple way to create confidence before the meeting even begins. On the right side, invite guests by typing their email and pressing enter. When you invite guests this way, WebPros Meeting automatically sends the meeting details, a reminder email 5 minutes before starting, and another email when the meeting begins. That means less chasing, fewer missed meetings, and better attendance. If this is a meeting you'll run again, check Recurring Meeting. This allows you to save the meeting setup and repeat it weekly or monthly, making it easy to stay consistent with team trainings, opportunity calls, and follow-up sessions. After saving a meeting, you'll also see a copy invitation button. This gives you a meeting link that you can paste into your own email or send via SMS text message. Just remember, when you invite people this way without entering their email address into WebPros Meeting, they will not receive the automatic reminders and start notifications. The easier it is for your team to schedule and run meetings confidently, the faster duplication happens. And that's exactly what WebPros Meeting was built to support. Thank you for your interest in WebPros Meeting, and thanks for watching!